is interesting.
Baby dolls like I'll fall asleep in your lap too.
Yeah.
Just cuddle me.
Me?
Poor mama.
I feel better? Are you still sleeping, huh? Are you still sleeping? Sorry. I failed. There you go. She has so much more hair than Velvet.
Do you think she's gonna be a lap baby?
No. She's buck wild. I don't think we're going to get our hands on her.
Here comes another Victoria.
Yeah, definitely. Wait. No, her teeth are matched.
Oh.
Her bite. Not her teeth. She doesn't have teeth. I do think she's a buckskin, though. She just keeps getting blonder and blonder.
She's pretty.
She is pretty. Let's see if I can get my phone.
Look at her socks. I don't know if her socks will stay like that, but
No, see how her feet are dark?
yeah.
This is just, this light stuff is baby hair. Underneath it's that sooty color. It means that her legs will be black.
Yeah, but at least she has all 4 socks. So she matches.
Yes, matching is important. I'm going to try and take a picture of it in my